In this video, I want to show you how to connect a pair of Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth earbuds like AirPods and other brands to your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36 phone. So the first thing is to put your Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode, and depending which model you have, you may have to keep press a certain button to enter pairing mode. If you have AirPods or Beats or many other brands, you're gonna have a pairing button somewhere inside of the case or outside of the case. So you need to keep press that button until the light over here starts flashing quickly. This model, I simply have to keep press the power on button long enough until I hear pairing mode. And then once I see this blinking, they are in pairing mode. So I can go on my phone, and now all you have to do is to open settings. The easiest way is to drag down from the top right corner and then click on the cogwheel right over here. Once you're in the settings, you're going to click on connections and then click on Bluetooth. Then it will start searching for all available devices, and one of these devices should be your headphones. Right over here, these are mine. They didn't find the name yet. You see getting device name, and here you go. This is the name of my headphones that are in pairing mode. Tap on them, select pair, and here you go, they're now connected. So you can wear them and you're gonna hear all the audio coming out of their phone in your headphones. Now in the future, if you want to disconnect them, you can go back in this menu, click the cogwheel, and down below you're gonna have disconnect. Click on it and they're disconnected. The audio will come out of here. If you want to completely remove your headphones from your Samsung phone because you won't use them again, you will then select unpair, and they will disappear from your device. Next time you want to use them, you'll have to repair them if you have selected that option. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.